So now what do we do at the time of death? At the time of death, the remembrance of Krishna that we have to practice, because Prabhupada said you can easily remember Krishna by chanting the holy name. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So if we practice the chanting properly now, then at the point of death, we'll be able to remember Krishna properly. Correct? So that kind of chanting we have to practice now. What are we doing in one sense? Every day devotees are chanting Hare Krishna, shaking head, nodding, closing eyes tightly, moving the beads very nicely. Yes, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. What are we doing? Every day practicing. We are practicing to call out Krishna at the time of death. Ante Narayana Smriti. Yes, Ante Narayana Smriti. And that practice we'll be able to do. When we'll be able to achieve that Ante Narayana Smriti, thinking of Krishna at the time of death, that we can achieve only by thinking of Krishna when we are living. Now we think properly, then that time also we'll be able to think properly. Okay.